As the NATO summit in Washington D.C. heads into its final day, Ukraine has received a series of new military aid pledges from member countries, with additional announcements expected before the summit concludes.
We agreed to launch NATO security assistance and training for Ukraine. We will take over the coordination and provision of most of the international security assistance to Ukraine, with a command led by a 3-star general and around 700 personnel working at a NATO headquarters in Germany, and at hubs in the eastern part of the alliance to provide the support to Ukraine. NATO will coordinate the training of Ukrainian forces at facilities in allied countries. We will support Ukraine by planning and coordinating donations, and will manage the transfer and repair of equipment. We will also provide support to the long-term development of Ukraine's armed forces. This will not make NATO party to the conflict, but it will help Ukraine to uphold its right to self-defense.
US Secretary of State Antony Blinken confirmed that the first batch of F-16 fighter jets, long requested by Ukraine, is en route from Denmark and the Netherlands. This delivery marks a significant step forward in meeting Ukraine's demands for advanced air capabilities amid its ongoing conflict with Russia. In a key development announced at the summit's opening, US President Joe Biden revealed that the United States, in coordination with Germany and Romania, will provide Ukraine with 3 new Patriot air defense batteries. Additionally, the Netherlands, along with other unnamed partners, will supply the necessary components to operationalize a 4th Patriot battery. Italy will contribute to Ukraine's defense efforts with another SAMP-T air defense system, which will further bolster Ukraine's defensive measures against Russian aerial assaults. President Biden also outlined future plans for the coming months, which include the provision of dozens of tactical air defense systems. These will feature German-made Gepard anti-aircraft guns, NASAMS medium-range air defense systems, and various versions of the Iris-T systems. These air defense systems, alongside critical missile supplies, have been a top priority for Kyiv as it seeks to counter persistent Russian missile and drone attacks. In parallel, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky announced that Canada has pledged an additional key aid $500 million, approximately $367 million, in military aid. While specific details of this aid package remain undisclosed, it represents a significant boost to Ukraine's defense capabilities. Before the NATO summit, the US also unveiled a new military aid package focused on enhancing Ukraine's air defense systems and providing vital interceptor missiles, artillery ammunition, and anti-tank missiles. On the diplomatic front, UK Defence Secretary John Healey, during a visit to Odessa on Sunday, confirmed a fresh aid package from London. This new support will include more artillery guns, 250,000 rounds of ammunition, and close to 100 anti-armor precision missiles. Additionally, a previous aid tranche from April, comprising around 1,600 missiles for both air defense and offensive operations, is scheduled to arrive in Ukraine within the next 100 days.